doesn't.
Mama, it's expired. That don't matter.
When's the last time you made a blueberry pie? Okay, but this is not just a little bit expired. What year? 2018, my girl. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Baby, it's 6 years old.
First of all, I've never even seen this before, but let's just... April 2000.
This is a bottle of garlic stir-fry oil from Barack Obama's first term, January 2012. We bought this when we moved in the house.
0811 of 2018. I swear I can't make this shit up.
That's a mustard.
Mom, these eggs expired on January 30th. January 30th of what year?
2023.
Oh, they're still good. Anybody want some scrambled eggs?
Hey, when did those expire?
August 1st, 2023.
Like, can we just check these real quick?
Are these?
November 2024. Guacamole.
So what? They haven't been open. How can they be bad?
I look at the date, right? Best by April 12th, 2016. It's fucking 2023, damn it.
Expiration date, March 26, 2013.
Mom!
Grandma's just throwing